how to get and use Temu coupon codes, claim $100 now. So if you want to claim $100 using a Temu coupon code, follow these easy steps. Step number 1, open the Temu app. So first open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you are logged to or log in to your account. Step number 2, find 100 coupon code. So look for 100 coupon code in the app or the Temu website. Temu sometimes sends promo codes to your email or show them in the app's notification, or you can also search for coupon websites that share Temu codes. Step number 3, add the item to your cart. So choose the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. Now step number 4, go to checkout. So once you are ready, tap on the cart icon top right corner to go to checkout. Now step number 5, enter the coupon code. So on the checkout page, look for the box that says enter coupon code or promo code. After that, type the $100 coupon code exactly as you found it, and after that, tap apply to use the code. Step number 6, check the discount. So you see the $100 discount applied to your order. After that, complete your order. So once the coupon is applied and you see the discount, tap place order to finish your payments and claim your $100 discount. Now important notes, check the coupon code's expiration dates, make sure it is still valid, and some coupons may have requirements like minimum spends or only work for certain products. That's it. You have now used the Temu coupon code to claim $100 off your orders. So this is how to get and use the Temu coupon code to claim $100. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.